Hey guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada, here today to talk about self-isolation auto care. Everybody is self-isolating due to this COVID-19. We are getting some calls from customers who are venturing out to get groceries and such with issues with their vehicles. The primary one that we're hearing is, of course, noise from the brakes. Sounds like the brakes are coming off the vehicle. Wanted to just review with you guys how the brake system works. So we've got a brake rotor here. It is literally bare metal, and when it comes coated. So we've got the gray, same type of material here, painted material on the rotor, but as you drive, it wears away. The issue, of course, is this vehicle sits outside and has been for several days. We've had rain and moisture over the last few. The metal will literally rust because all it is just a hunk of metal. It builds up a little rust ridge on the surface, and when you apply the brake for the first few initial times, you hear a horrible grinding noise, and trust me, it sounds worse than it actually is. Once you drive and you apply the brake gradually over the first few stops, you will hear the noise go away, because what happens is the brake pad, as you can see here, burnishes away the rust, and it will eventually get to being this smooth surface once again the way it's supposed to be. This is the front brake, and of course it's the same thing is happening on the rear. And as again you can see, we picked this vehicle up using our shuttle service, picked it up from the customer's house, and you can see how just by driving it a few blocks it has cleaned up the rears as well. A couple of other issues to make note of. While you're in isolation, you should make it a point to start your vehicle. Go out, let it run for a few minutes. If it's in the garage, of course, lift the garage door up and run the vehicle for 5-10 minutes at least every other day or every third day, to help charge up the battery, because a lot of modern vehicles have got items within them, such as modules and stuff, that constantly draw power on the battery. It will wear down your battery. We've had several calls from customers where their battery is dead, they don't understand why. Well, when you don't drive your vehicle for a week or 2 weeks, and then you go out to start it, she either starts slowly or she doesn't start at all. Regardless of the age, this is what we're finding. Last but not least, we've got nesting happening. It's springtime, we got creatures running around, we got cars that are sitting out that are not being driven. They've become great shelters for these creatures, such as squirrels, mice, birds. So what we're suggesting is periodically pop the hood of your vehicle, just check underneath, see if there's any nesting material or anything happening. We've had a couple of customers that have got the automatic fold-in mirrors on the sides. We have birds actually building nests in between the glass and the mirror. So a couple of points here for self-isolation. Be aware, be safe, flatten the curb, Urban Automotive, safety first.